Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Gyaantech. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Kali Linux March 2025 using the official virtual machine VM file, not the ISO. This method is super fast, no installation required, just import and start. So hit like, subscribe, and let's get started. Kali March 2025 brings powerful improvements. Better Vagrant support. Automate pentesting VMs. Better Vagrant support. Automate pentesting VMs. Nexmon wireless drivers. Packet injection and Wi-Fi monitoring. Updated hacking tools and UI enhancements. Latest Linux kernel for stability and performance. System requirements. Virtualization in BIOS required. Make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS VTX AMD-V. Step 1. Download Kali Linux March 2025 VM bundle. Open your browser and search Kali Linux virtual machine download link provided in description. Go to the official Kali website and look for Virtual Machines section KUS VirtualBox 64-bit VM file. The downloaded file is usually in 7Z format, a compressed virtual machine. Step 2. Extract VM file for Windows. Use 7-zip. Right-click the downloaded file. Select Extract here. The file size after extraction will be around 15 GB 25 GB, so make sure you have enough space. Step 4. Port Kali Linux VM. Click on Open Browse and select the extracted Vox file. Click Open. Click OK. Wait a few minutes until import finishes. Step 5. VM hardware configuration. After import, select the Kali VM. Click Settings. Step 6. Start Kali Linux. Click Start. Legend screen appears. Default credentials, username, Kali password. Kali, you can change it later. Kali Linux is ready instantly, no installation required. If you want a tutorial for any specific tool, tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.